Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our next topic, that is short term objectives. Short term objectives may vary from plan to plan depending on the current needs of the country. For example, our first plan was started in 1951 to 56, and as we have discussed earlier also, its main focus is on agriculture production. And while our second plan shifted from the focus of agriculture to the industrial sector, so that the India's growth and equity are the objectives of all the 5-year plans. The goals of current 5-year plan 2012 to 17 is inclusive development. So the plan vary from time to time, and on the basis of priorities the government should take initiative. Now, the main features of the Indian economy: first is low productivity, disguised unemployment, dependence on rainfall, subsistence farming, traditional inputs, small land holdings, backward technology. So these are the main features of the Indian economy at the time of independence. So there is a need to change in particular this sector. So in our first plan, government has focused on agricultural sector. Now the problem in the agriculture sector, the main problem in the agriculture sector is the pressure of the population on land. Mainly our total population, more than 1/3 of our population is dependent on this. So that leads to the disguised unemployment also. Land degradation is one of the main reason. Subsistence farming, social environment, and crop lesser by pests, losses by pests, insects, and flood and drought. These were the main general problems that was related to agricultural sector. Next is institutional problems. There is small and scattered land holdings, poor implementation of the land reforms, and there is lack of credit or marketing facilities of the Indian agricultural products. Then there are some of the technical problems also within the agriculture sector. There is a lack of irrigation facility, wrong cropping pattern, and outdated techniques of production. So that's why our Indian agriculture sector is declining. There is total 70%, more than 70% population is engaged in this sector, but they are not able to provide 50% of the GDP. So that's why